Eid al-Adha, also known as the Festival of Sacrifice, is one of the most significant religious observances in the Islamic calendar. Celebrated by Muslims worldwide, this joyous festival holds deep spiritual and cultural significance. In this article, we will explore the origins, customs, and significance of Eid al-Adha, highlighting the essence of faith and sacrifice that lies at its core. Eid al-Adha commemorates the willingness of Prophet Ibrahim to sacrifice his son, Ismail, as an act of obedience to God's command. Just as Ibrahim was about to carry out the sacrifice, God provided a lamb to be sacrificed instead, signifying the ultimate test of faith and obedience. This divine intervention demonstrated that true devotion lies not in the act of sacrifice itself, but in the sincerity of one's intentions. The festival begins with a special prayer called Salat al-Eid, held in mosques and open spaces. Muslims, dressed in their finest attire, gather for communal prayer, seeking divine blessings and offering gratitude. After the prayer, families and friends come together to exchange greetings, gifts, and share meals. Central to Eid al-Adha is the act of qurbani, the sacrifice of an animal such as a goat, sheep, or cow. The meat from the sacrificed animal is divided into 3 parts, one for the family, one for relatives and friends, and one for the less fortunate. This distribution symbolizes the importance of sharing blessings with others, especially those in need, fostering a sense of unity and compassion within the community. Eid al-Adha is a time of immense joy and celebration. Communities organize festive gatherings, carnivals, and various cultural events. Streets come alive with vibrant decorations, and markets are bustling with shoppers seeking special delicacies and gifts. The festival also holds a strong sense of community spirit as Muslims embrace the values of generosity and kindness. Acts of charity, including providing food and financial assistance to those in need, are highly encouraged during this time. Muslims are reminded of their duty to care for the less fortunate and create an inclusive society based on compassion and empathy. Eid al-Adha serves as a reminder for Muslims to reflect on the importance of faith, obedience, and sacrifice in their lives. It fosters a sense of unity and compassion within communities and encourages acts of generosity and kindness. This joyous festival holds deep religious and cultural significance, emphasizing the values of gratitude, sharing, and caring for others, making it a cherished and revered occasion in the Muslim calendar. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, comments, and subscribe my channel.